Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can easily add grid lines to our design on Canva application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a design on my Canva application and I'm going to add grid lines to this design. If we want to do that, first thing first, we need to click on these three dots on the top and then you have to go to the setting, this one, click on the setting and you have to click on add guides. Okay, and here we can customize the grid lines we want to add to our design. We can choose how many rows and how many columns we want to add. We can click on custom or we can also choose the template. And I'm just going to customize it. Click on custom and I'm going to add maybe like just 6 column. And then for the rows, I'm going to add just 3. Once you're done, you can click on done and this is the final result. And that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can add grid lines to our design on Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.